Two blue birds are sitting on a line. Two green birds fly in. So we start with two birds, then we add our third, and then we add another, a fourth. So all together, there are four birds. Two blue birds plus two green birds give us four birds.